Okay, so let's clear something up. Everyone thinks they know Grimm fairy tales, like Snow White, Cinderella, Little Red Riding Hood. Cute, but also no. Because there aren't just a few Grimm stories, there are hundreds of them, and most of them you've literally never heard of. And the ones you have heard, yeah, those were edited, softened, sanitized. Because the originals are darker, messier, and written in this dramatic, old-timey language that's basically Shakespeare, but with more violence and significantly worse decision-making. So if you've ever wondered where fairy tales really came from, and how much of the version you grew up with is generously rewritten, yeah, same. That's where I come in. I take the original Grimm fairy tales, the ones everyone pretends don't exist, and explain them modern style. What actually happens? No filter. I'll even attempt to decode the moral because, trust me, clarity was clearly not the goal. Now, do the characters stay perfectly consistent all the time? No. I'm usually running on 30 minutes sleep and a sandwich. Focus on the story. With that said, see you in the fantasy realm. Toodles. Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Yay.